Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Now this is a tablet from last year. We have the silver version with 32GB of storage, and looking at the model number we have the version that supports 4G LTE. This also comes in another version that it's Wi-Fi only, but this also supports a SIM card. Now let's take a quick look inside of the box. This is a big tablet. Here on the left side we have the SIM ejection tool and the paperwork, the warranty card and the user manual. So we get a pair of earphones with some ear tips inside, and the cable is a Type-C cable, which is Type-C on one side and Type-A on the other. Also we have the charging brick, which is not fast charging. I don't know how they can put a big battery of 7000 mAh, probably more, and not include a fast charger in the box. Now let's take a look at the tablet itself. Okay, feeling it in hand, the build quality. It has an aluminum back, and this already makes me feel like the tablet is going to be good. We have a camera here, we have the buttons on the right side of the tablet, we have the volume buttons and the power button. Here we have two speakers and the Type-C port, also a microphone. This is the headphone jack, and on the left side we only have the SIM tray. Now let's power on the tablet and take a look. While the tablet is powering on, let me read you the specifications real quick. We have a TFT display, 10.4 inches. This tablet starts its life at Android 10, but it's upgradable up to Android 11. We have three versions of this tablet. We have the version with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, 4GB of RAM, 32GB of storage, and 3GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The main camera is 8 megapixels and the selfie camera here is 5 megapixels. Both of the cameras can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. The battery is 7040 mAh, that is 7040. We have three colors available: dark gray, silver and gold. Funny thing, this tablet supports 15-watt fast charging, even though we don't have a fast charger inside of the box. The chipset on this device is the Snapdragon 662, which is clocked at 2 GHz. For the GPU, it's Adreno 610. Also, as we can see here, we have a face recognition, pattern, PIN and password. Also, one other thing I like to add, this tablet will cost you around, let's say, depending on the memory you choose, it will cost you around $270 US, probably more depending on your location. But I want to say that this tablet has a TFT display. Having a TFT display or LCD display means that this will be cheap to repair. Having an AMOLED display and being this big, it will be mad expensive if we try to replace an AMOLED display of 10 inches. Now, fresh out of the box, let's go to settings. About tablet, we have Android 10 and One UI core of 2.5. I have the version here with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. Okay, first impressions using the tablet after the first boot. This looks kind of fast. And being completely honest, this feels faster than the A7 Lite I did the other day. Also, the speakers are mad loud. Talking about the speakers, let's open a YouTube video. This tablet has 4 speakers, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do a video test on the Samsung Galaxy A21s. The capability of this phone is up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. Okay, so this speaker is mad loud. I would say it's almost as loud as my laptop. Okay, holding the tablet in this position and blocking the bottom speakers, we can feel the bass. These bottom firing speakers have more bass than the top ones, but this is loud. So we have a full HD video here with a zoom capabilities of 8 times. So we can zoom up to 8 times on this phone. And also we have a wide angle camera. Okay, not the best viewing angles in the world, but it's a big tablet and you won't have any problem looking at content as long as it's a 1080p. Okay, so let me set up the tablet. I will install a game for a quick demonstration and I will install this update. Okay, so now I have updated the device. We are now on Android 11. Okay, so when we hold the tablet vertically, the logo is good, but horizontally, okay, Samsung, do something about that. I was trying to download Asphalt 8, but Asphalt 8 stuck at 99%. And when I try to open the game, it starts at 50%. I don't know what happened, but I've installed Asphalt 9 and Bubble Journey. So now let's open Bubble Journey, just to see how this tablet will react on a small game like this. Okay, so this small game is not a problem for this tablet, and for the processor of this tablet you will have fun playing small games like this. Now let's go for a big game. Okay, so for copyright's sake I am turning off the music. Now let's try and play some games. I want to mention that these 4 speakers are mad loud. Okay, so we can swipe to select path, hold to drift, and tap to use nitro. Let's go. Okay, so the game sound is at maximum. It's way too loud for me. Okay, so my battery just died and I had to pause the game. Now let's go. Okay, so even for Asphalt 9, this tablet handles it very good. Okay, so as you saw, it handles the game quite good, and I believe that it will handle most of the games on Play Store. If you don't play in high resolution, if you play on normal resolution, it will handle the games very good. Now also this tablet is very good for watching videos, and I think it's appropriate for most percentage of the people that don't want to spend a lot of money on a tablet. This will cost you around $300, probably less, depending on the storage that you get, and it's also cheap to repair. Now I recommend you get this one if you want a big tablet, but if you want a small one, you can go with the A7 Lite. Also, before closing the video, the part of the motherboard here, it's not getting hot like it did on the A7 Lite video after I played some games with it. So even with, I wanted to test this out, but as you see, even with the new YouTube update, the new video resolution goes up to 1080p, so we don't have a bigger resolution on this display. And with that being said, I want to thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one.